Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify for a service-based business. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what are we going to be doing here is that first we are going to be heading over to homepage. Now if you want to maybe put some service online, you simply need to head over to your online store and choose the most appropriate theme for that particular thing. From this section, you need to choose the theme which is going to be related to service-based business. So simply enter your details in here and your service, whatever service that you're providing. Click on customize, and all services are going to be placed in this section. And apparently once you do that, you are going to be getting ready with a service based business. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.